Welcome to the Explorations of Me. Come on in, sit down, relax, and enjoy my process of this month's prompt for 20. Hi everyone, it's Ann, and I'm back for the Explorations of Me 2018. And so I have this month's prompt is new beginnings, whether it's spiritual, art related, financial, or personal. That is pretty much take your pick as far as what the prompt is this month. And for me, the new beginnings, it's more new beginnings regarding personal, because I have moved to another state and starting new beginnings, starting a new life out here. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. I'm just showing you the back end of my composition book that I've been working in for the last couple of years for the Explorations of Me. And so I'm going to do just a one-page spread for this month because I don't have very many pages left, and I want to try to use this year's what's left in this composition book for the rest of the year's prompt, if you get what I mean. So basically, I am getting together some pieces of papers, origami papers, scrap papers, things like that, to put together the background. And then after that, I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So stay tuned. So now that I have glued down all of my tissue papers and origami papers and bleeding art paper, I'm going ahead and I'm going to add some acrylic paints in kind of blue hues. And when you noticed me opening that bottle, the change in elevation, we're a little bit higher up than California, where I was in California. So with the pressure of the height differences, when I opened the bottle, all the pressure from that came kind of coming out from the bottle. It's pretty funny, actually. Didn't expect that. So anyways, I'm taking a credit card or a playing card or a gift card is what I'm trying to say. I can't speak again today, of course. And I'm just using that like my paintbrush. I'm scraping it around. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of this process as I put together the background. And excuse my twisted tongue today. And in this section, I've decided to add a little bit of gesso and scraping it using the gift card that I used earlier. So in this section here, I'm showing you a house that I created using a game piece from some game that I kind of received this in some Happy Mail, and then I went ahead and used a security envelope for the background, and for the door I used an index card that was lined, and the doorknob is actually a bead, and the windows I used some jelly printed papers I had used before, and just kind of blinged it up and added all kinds of cool little extras to the house. And before I glue that down, I'm going ahead and adding some heavy-bodied acrylic paint to the bottom of this page so that it makes the house look grounded and not floating in the air. Alright, and so now that it's good and dry, I'm actually coming in with some Portfolio oil pastels, but they're water soluble, kind of like the Caran d'Ache nail colors. But what I like about these is that these ones actually kind of have a little more wax, I think, to them than the Caran d'Ache nail colors do. And so when you use a heat gun on these, they kind of melt, and they actually kind of create almost an encaustic-like effect. And so that's why I like using these. Alright, so now that I've done my background and everything, I am going to go ahead and use some Aleene's tacky glue to glue down the house. Alright, so next I'm going to add just a few little marks here and there using this kind of roller mark thingy. So enjoy my process. Saying in French is, first of all, I'll say it in French. Où se trouve le cœur, là est la maison. So wherever, you know, home is where the heart is basically what the translation is. And so on the top here, I'm just going to write using ballpoint pen, Home Sweet Home, and you'll see me make it a little more pretty later on. So enjoy, and thanks for watching. there you have it. I'm all done with this month's prompt. Don't forget to go out and check all the other lovely artists that are involved in this. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching, Toodles. Have a wonderful day.